రాజధాని ప్రాంతంలో పర్యటించాలనుకున్న జపాన్ పారిశ్రామికవేత్తల బృందం చివరి నిమిషంలో తమ పర్యటన వాయిదా వేసుకుంది. 21 రోజుల్లోనే పరిశ్రమలకు అనుమతి ఇస్తామన్న సీఎం వాగ్దానాలపైన జపాన్ బృందం కొంత అనుమానాలు వ్యక్తం చేస్తున్నట్లు సమాచారం. ఈ నేపథ్యంలో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ సీఎం చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు జపాన్ బృందంతో హైదరాబాద్లోని తాజ్ కృష్ణాలో భేటీ అయ్యారు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Labor reforms, tourism policy, private university bill, industrial water policy, sectoral policies, textile, agro-processing, innovation and startup policy, port policy, marine board act, electronic policy, PPP policy, IT policy, industrial policy, solar, wind policy. Some of them already we have announced, one or two in a couple of days we are going to announce. Even here, forward-looking initiatives to facilitate investments. Sagarmala. It is Visakhapatnam and also Kakinada. 4 ports are going to come under Sagarmala. This is one logistics hub on East Coast initiated by Government of India. And also Vizag Chennai Industrial Corridor and also Chennai Bangalore Industrial Corridors. 2 corridors are coming. And also East Coast 4-lane beach road from Srikakulam to Nellore. We are working on that. As on today, we are having a road, national highway, 6-lane road, 8 lane somewhere, and also 4-lane. Ultimately, we want to have another road, beach road, that is from Srikakulam to Tada. This is one more road we are envisaging, along with a national highway. So that in between, there is inland waterways. We want to connect all these 3, once in 30 kilometers like that. We want to go in investment, industrialization in a big way. Bhogapuram, this is another greenfield airport is coming. This is one of the aerospace city we wanted to create, and also airport. And also national level institutions, so many institutions are coming, and also private institutions who are working in a big way. And also forward-looking initiatives, if you go further, world-class capital city. That is one I will tell you afterwards. Even smart village and smart wards, renewable energy, energy efficiency. If you see AP capital as a smart city in making, we are working in a big way for employment generation, high quality life, and also sustainable development. This city, technology is very, very important, and also knowledge is very important. We wanted to concentrate knowledge-based economy and also technology on physical infrastructure, real estate, and also economic infrastructure, tourism infrastructure, mobility. These are all the areas. Urban infrastructure, water supply, sewerage, stormwater drainage, public transport, social infrastructure, healthcare, education, affordable housing, urban governance, governance of service through e-governance, efficient delivery services, effective redressal of citizen complaints, citizen engagement. These are all various